Hello, this is Arifa Khan from SIRT's College Stage Group Bhopal. Our today's topic is ring. Ring, it is a part of graph group theory. So start with the definition of ring. So what is ring? So definition of ring is an algebraic structure R plus and dot. Under addition and under multiplication is called ring if it satisfies the following properties. Okay. A ring under the operation addition and multiplication, if it satisfies the following properties, then it is called a ring. And the properties are R1. R1 means under addition ring is an abelian group. And the property number 2, R2, it is under the operation multiplication is a semi-group. And the property R3 is satisfying the distribution laws. So, under R1, R plus is an abelian group. It means we have 5 properties in R1. So R11 is our closure law. And the closure law says if A and B are the elements of R, then A plus B is also the element of R. For all the values of A which belongs to R and the B is also belongs to R, this implies that we can say that R is satisfying closure property. Okay. Now, the second property of R1 plus is R12 and it is called associative law. And in associative law, if A, B and C are the elements of R, then A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C is also belongs to R for every element. For all, A belongs to R, B belongs to R and C belongs to R. So that this implies that R is satisfying the associative law under the operation addition. Okay. Now, the third property in R1 is R13. R13 is identity law. And under the identity law, if A belongs to R, if A be the element of R, then there exists its identity. इसकी identity is particular element A की identity, and if A belongs to R, then there exists its identity E, which is also belongs to R, such that it is the sign of such that A plus E or E plus A, this is always is equal to A, and this A is the element of R. मतलब A is belongs to R. So for all A belongs to R. For all the values of A which is belongs to R. This implies that we can say that identity element exists in R. इसका मतलब है आइडेंटिटी एलिमेंट R में एग्जिस्ट करता है. And the fourth property is R14. R14 is inverse law. And in inverse law, if we have any element which belongs to R, suppose it is A, and if A belongs to R, then there exists its inverse, A's inverse, which is A inverse. We can write A inverse, which is also belongs to R, such that A plus A inverse or A inverse plus operate on A, this is always is equal to E for all the elements of A which is belongs to R. So we can say this implies that inverse element also exists in R. Okay? So R1, R2, R3 and R4 are the four properties. Now R15. In abelian group we have another property R15 and R15 property is commutative law. So R15 is commutative law, and in commutative law, if A and B are the elements of R, अगर A और B कोई दो एलिमेंट हैं, कोई algebraic structure R में, then A plus B is equal to B plus A. है ना? A plus B और B plus A आपस में equal होंगे and it is belongs to R and the result will be is equivalent to and the result is in the R. मतलब R में ही result आएगा. So A plus B is equal to B plus A. It is also belongs to R for all the elements A which is belongs to R and B is also belongs to R. This implies that we can say that commutative law is also satisfies in R. So we have R plus is an abelian group, है ना? R plus abelian group कब होता है? जब उसमें हम 5 प्रॉपर्टी सेटिस्फाई करते हैं and the 5 properties R1, R2, R3, R4 and R5. So we have R1. इसके अंदर हमारे पास 5 प्रॉपर्टीज हैं. पहली प्रॉपर्टी थी, फर्स्ट प्रॉपर्टी it was closure law, second was associative law, third was identity law, fourth one is inverse law, and the fifth property is commutative law. So R plus. Now second property is R2 and R2 में क्या होता है? R under multiplication it is a semi group. तो देखिए R2 ना R2 under multiplication, R2 in under multiplication it is a semi group. So in semi group we have only two properties. Semi group we have only two properties. So R21 it is a closure law, and according to closure law we have if A and B are the elements of R, then A into B is also belongs to R. अगर A और B कोई दो एलिमेंट है R के, तो उनका जो मल्टीप्लिकेशन होगा it is also belongs to R for all the values of A which is belongs to R and B is belongs to R. So we can say that R is satisfied closure law under the operation multiplication. Okay. Now second property is R22 and R22 is associative law. Okay. R22 is associative law and the operation is multiplication. So if A, B and C are the elements of R, then A into B into C is equal to A into B into C is also belongs to R. So this implies that R is associative under the operation multiplication. So in R2 we have two properties, that is R21 and R22. In R21 we have closure law under the operation multiplication and R22 is associative law under the operation multiplication. Okay. Now third property is R3. It is a distribution laws. So R3 is a distribution law. And again we have two properties in distribution law. Number one is R31 and number two is R32. So in R31 we have distribution law. If A, B and C belongs to R, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B into A is equal to A into B plus A into C. And in R32, if we have A, B, C belongs to R, then B plus C into A is equal to B into A plus C into A. तो ये दो लेफ्ट और राइट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस लॉ होते हैं. सो R क्या होता है? R कोई रिंग होता है, एंड इन अ रिंग वी हैव थ्री प्रॉपर्टीज. और वो तीन प्रॉपर्टीज कौन कौन सी हैं? R1, R2 एंड R3. R1 के अंदर 5 प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं क्योंकि वो अंडर एडिशन अबेलियन ग्रुप होता है. R2 में हमारे पास दो प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं क्योंकि वो अंडर मल्टीप्लिकेशन सेमी ग्रुप होता है. और R3 में हमारे पास दो प्रॉपर्टीज होती हैं क्योंकि यहाँ पर डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ सेटिस्फाई होते हैं. और एक लेफ्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ है एंड अनदर वन इज राइट डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन लॉ. सो दिस इज अ डेफिनेट, इट वाज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रिंग. सो ओके, देन नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में आपसे फिर मिलते हैं.